In 1911, a maintenance worker pulled off the most famous art theft in history with nothing but his work clothes. Vincenzo Peruggia walked into the Louvre like any other day, except this time he walked out with the Mona Lisa hidden under his smock. No elaborate planning, no high-tech gadgets, just a janitor who knew the museum's blind spots. For 2 years, the world's most valuable painting sat in his tiny apartment above a paint shop in Paris, while police interrogated suspects, including Pablo Picasso. Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece was collecting dust on a kitchen table. The theft made headlines worldwide. Thousands flocked to the Louvre just to stare at the empty wall where the Mona Lisa once hung. Peruggia believed he was a patriot, returning stolen Italian art to Italy. His downfall came in 1913 when he finally tried to sell the painting to an art dealer in Florence. The dealer immediately called police. Peruggia's simple theft transformed the Mona Lisa from just another Renaissance painting into the world's most famous artwork, now worth over $850 million.